Boy, bounty killer. I come from TV when you talk like you want one, like you look friend. Me no want no friend from you. Yeah, that chat all kind of sitting about me. Now you see me get at you going like you get afraid. Hey boy, bounty love cuss and them no kill a soul. That's why Beenie push the angel of all. And now that's in
From you see the piece of clip, you know what time it is. It's a Ninja Man video. Anyways, this is a nice piece of video. I don't watch it yet, but it's Ninja Man performing live on stage. And I won't be stopping the video. Full stop. Except being in the middle. Remember, you know, this is not my content. So, per YouTube policy, I have to add commentary. Yeah. So that's why I chat so much in my videos. Jesus, if I get $1 for every time I see you chat too much in the comment section, I'd be a millionaire, American millionaire. Anyways, me respect you for watching and liking and viewing the video still. Like the video for now, please. Yeah, and share it to your friends and your family for now, please. Cause we not stop. Run it.
all of them boy we are talking about them a top man, most of them are go on top of man, go slap man and chop man like Tracy chop man. We don't know what man, we gunshot man.
Where's the mic?
Simple as just make me be lucky, who was it if a boy wanted, very quick make me to live and I go. Come on, General. No, come over there. Hold on. Boy, bounty killer here, say now work sting away. Me get mad knife plate to carry, I get little and run back over there. No peace. The only peace in the music business. And with the youth, them now get away fire shot. We have put them under one umbrella until we put them gun, but no lyrical peace now, the boy. Send out the whole of them, send out Addy. Send out the whole of them, send out nobody. Send out the boy, bounty killer. I come from TV when you talk like you want one, like you look friend. Me no want no friend from you. Yeah, that chat all kind of sitting about me. Now you see me get at you going like you get afraid. Hey boy, bounty love cuss and them no kill a soul. That's why Beenie push the angel of all. And now that's in everything. 11. Hey GT. I see. The police they respect you. When you about that show in a curfew, the police they know say me want to sit before me read that thing. And to the boy bounty know me bad. I know say name come down here. Me a bust off him head. The boy no come here. You know why? Them boy they never broke a war. Never do a thing. Never make a double your leg on them up in blink. Never make a body like they in a thing war. That is go at it. Hey boy, yes, them never broke a war. Move that.
Ready.
He's done. I run, the boy, run. You know why he run? You want me to tell you? Bounty killer come a chat bout say go gun done. Show me give Adam to one of some broad the gun come from Miami. And Fort Lord the gun come. Take up me phone and make a call. And son of the gun come. Me box down police and take away water man gun. And me happy this arm dig his other man gun. And me supply clients and one other man gun. Give it on the fireman, don't give it love him. Yes, me ever have money in my pocket, never broke yet. And a woman never moved. Hold on. Me have some something to tell them about some of my gun them. But you me pick the can't tell them, I have to talk. Talk to him.
You know what make Ninja give Adam the gun? Yeah? Alright. Ninja give Adam the gun because the old and rusty him has some new shine and give me a tell her trust me. One name ragga we boss 60 the shot them pass the like and who know want them catch me? What a bunch of catch everybody. Ninja give Adam the gun because the old and rusty him has some new shine and give me a tell her trust me. One name ragga we boss 60 the shot them pass the like and who no want them catch me? What a gun some I carry really must be thirsty. Ninja barrel gun alone it a clap about 30. Some look fool I have gun and no hope for working. Feed them gun a bird gun for 2 teeth and 30.
Who is that young lady and where is she now? We don't have to ask where are they now. We know where Ninja is. Over GP and the boss Sue come my road, Sue come my yard. Free the Gargan. Obviously this was when Gargan and Bounty Killer have them feud in a beef. I mean not talk bully beef or corn beef or tin beef. Musical beef because they never take it to the street. Either way. I don't know if Ninja can take it to the street if he feel like taking it to the street, but he prefer to keep it lyrical, especially when I deal with artists. I'm here to chat fast because I want to hurry up and make the point so we can get back to the video. I'm gonna see blood say your chat comment section. Anyway, it's funny for me still. But I don't know which part this I show you was. But all I know say this is a good performance. Say no to all of them, say no Addy. Say no to all of them, Bounty and somebody. Send out the whole of them. Send out Beenie. Me mad now if you kill somebody. Let's get back to the video. And if you haven't liked the video, like the video. You see, you enjoy the videos but you not like the video. What is sense? It's free to like the video, you know. It don't cost you 1 red cent. Not $1 Jamaican dollar or American red cent. Come on, man. Just like the video, man. It goes a far way for the channel. Alright then. We'll jump back into it.
You hear what fitness eh? Where time me gun go?
Raga.
Me have a gun go so raga. Oh me gun go raga. Bust it down the door. Bust it down the room.
Never circle the base when me enemy day. Drive by not a trace when me enemy day. Not a sea, not a star, no but move ya.
Hold on. Me a go make trouble now. I want to make that trouble here. Me a go run. Me say, me have a secret. Me a go tell you no. But when me tell you no, me not go run that way. The kind you me run that way. They beat him and don't kill me with me. Go run that way there. Cause when it happen, and tell me not to tell you no. Where do you? We go take away Barbie from Beenie where do you? Yes, me take away Barbie from Beenie. And Barbie run come out, Beenie come out here or me tell the world and knock you and say Barbie in there. You Beenie no? Oh, senorita, what make you give away the thing? Turn me back and you give away the thing. Me not push out me that say, you should have known, say your senorita. She just give me the thing. Not even hawks and she give me the thing. You able to beat it? You able to? You my phone? Like Godfather, it's not a product, it's a Gargan world. Every woman in the street, you know it's Gargan girl. To the pump and the loyal and the four-board royal. This, me the take for Henry Morgan girl. Every time me book a place, star place. Me no one girl, not stove, not hot plate. For a gas and me we travel the world. That in me friend over girl. You must say mad, me no scared plate. Then me tell you, oh, me gone.
St. Elizabeth. You think you've talked enough? You want to hear some more secret? Who you want to talk the things? When him say ninja. Say ninja. Ninja. The more I hear some more, you know. Put your hands up in the air and say ninja man. One more time.
All about the more than them be talk ninja man about done. Talking about articles and what kind of done when I'm what have you not done when I saw me say, I saw me turn. Put up your hand, you never sex the bottom. I saw me say, I saw me turn. Boom! Alright. I can put on my spliff little. Cause me go around just a little while and Beenie man thump up on me and run, you see? Anyway, let me tell you something. You have some DJ nowadays. As they come on stage, them a talk about some man. As they come on stage, them a talk about party man. Well, me one DJ. Well, when me talk, if you don't like it, you can't beat me. But not true, me say one umbrella. If you fire a shot in the air, you will get tore up. And the umbrella tear. So nobody feel like you can't diss the umbrella, true with the umbrella. So me go tell you no DJ. People, 95% of them DJ we are talking about suck man. They suck. Jamaica. Who are the greatest DJ? And you know me, now I beg no friend to prove my greatness. And me alone go smoke coke and come out without the doctor. Who not dead can't up. And me alone conquer coke. And me alone conquer badness. And me alone conquer prisoner. And me alone conquer life. And me cover about 19 times, about 80,000 bullets push up on me. And can't dead. And me alone conquer everything. You know why? Tell them say this, tell them that. Amen, man, none of the real in, man, all that, move. Me be going now.
Where is that video there? I'm Ninja Man, I'm the real Ninja Man. All the fake other Ninja Man, please sit down. Video done, brother. I have to go search for your site. Oh, nice piece of I first me I see it. I swear to you, me have it from last week for post and forgot. Hope you like it still. You see, I didn't do a lot of talking. We just watch, laugh and enjoy. Big up yourself, Ninja Man, real entertainer. Free Ninja Man, that way I say. And if you are a free Ninja Man, like the video. If you are a free Ninja Man, share the video. And yeah, just stay safe. Whatever you're doing, do it to your best of your ability. And put God first. God bless.